Same restraints as on hyperspace, right?
Yes, same trains. It wasn't even to the corkscrews yet, and they sent us.
That I want to see again. I remember their hyperspace being pretty cool.
That's my favorite coaster at that resort.
Duma, wij wachten beneden. Okay?
Although I would like to see, you know, either if they would bring back their original Space Mountain or Mission 2 even. I wonder if they still have all the original Space Mountain queue stuff set up like they used to.
I mean, the queue line still shows the Baltimore Gun Club.
Yeah.
Which, with the Star Wars ride, is comical.
And I saw that the first time and I was rather confused. What was the name of the coaster at Yomiuri Land?
Bandit?
That's what I thought. I think I was remembering it right. Yeah, this is about as fast as that lift hill went.
Yeah, but Bandit was also like twice the size of this.
Now I see what you mean by observation deck. Observation deck.
Oh, is the arm fully in the air?
It is now.